My friends. I learned to walk from my friend, the cat. Can you walk in place like your friend, the cat? What does the cat say? Meow. All right, let's see who comes out. Who our other friend is. I learned to jump from my friend, the dog. Can you jump? Look. Okay, that's a good job. All right, get ready for this one, okay?
You like that?
Oh, look! I learned to climb from my friend, the monkey. Can you pretend like you're climbing? What does the monkey say? You are good monkeys. Let's see who comes out next. Look! I learned to run from my friend the horse. Can you pretend you're a horse? What does the horse say? Yay! Alright, here comes one of Miss Penny's favorites. I learned to march from my friend, the rooster. Can you march? What does the rooster say? All right. I learned to nap from my friend, the crocodile. Look, can you pretend you're taking a nap? Okay, are you ready? I learned to smell the flowers from my friend, the butterfly. Can you pretend you're holding a flower and you're smelling it? Oh, beautiful. Oh, look. I learned to hide from my friend, the rabbit. So, look, can you scoot down like this and pretend you're hiding? Okay, hop back up. I learned to explore the earth from my friend, the ant. How many of you like to dig in the dirt? Do you like to dig in the dirt?
I don't like it.
Okay, now be careful because you don't want to do this to your friend beside of you. But I learned to kick from my friend the gorilla. Can you say, ooh? I learned to watch the night sky from my friend the owl. Look, what does the owl say? I learned to sing from my my friends, the birds. Can you fly like a bird? Can you fly like a bird? I learned to read from my friends, the books. I learned to play from my friends at the library or preschool. And I learned to love from a friend like you. The end.